তোর যদি দরকার পড়ে অনিরুদ্ধ আমাকে বলবি, আমাকে একটু ধরো। So it's 6:30 now and we have started from Baluka Ghera. Our plan is to reach Jobra directly. By 1. So it's gonna be race against time because we have our car booked. We'll be going to Chandratal today. So the aim is to reach Jobra at least by 1. So if we reach earlier than then it's better. So yeah, let's see. I'm pretty sure we'll be making it, but again, these are the challenges. It's a race against time.
Hey guys, welcome to TCC. My name is Jayateshri and today's episode is about the last day of our Hamta Pass trek. So today we will be traveling from Baluka Ghera to Jobra directly. Ideally, as per the itinerary, we were supposed to reach Chika and stay there, and the next morning at 4 am we would have started from Chika. However, we decided to descend till Jobra on that day because we had booked our car on that same day for this PT tour. The weather being sunny actually helped, so let's start the journey.
So as per our previous schedule, on this day we are supposed to trek from Shiaguru to Chhatru, and then from Chhatru we are supposed to take our car. But as we returned to Baluka Ghera, it added an extra day to our trek that we couldn't afford. So we decided to descend directly from Baluka Ghera to Jobra instead of staying an extra night at Chika. So we started early at around 6:30 am instead of 10 am. The weather was clear, it was sunny, and that actually helped us a lot because we had to cover 2 days of trek in one.
তোকে কে দেবো বলছে, কে দেবো বাঘ, শুধু তোকে বলছি তুই কে দেবো বাঘ।
হয়ে গেছে পাথরের সাপোর্টিং দাও। We just did the river crossing. Guess what? It was amazing, like literally amazing. We crossed the river from here. It was like too freezing, but the experience was amazing. What a view! Finally reached Jobra after I think a walk of almost 6 hours. Quite pleasant weather. It was really good coming down. Hope to see good weather in Chandratal as well. We are waiting for our bags which is coming from the top and waiting for the car as well. See you on the side.
Hi guys, so update for the day, and it's not a good one. So we are currently at Koksar. It's a village in Himachal Pradesh. It's 72 km from Manali. So we reached Jobra at around 12:30 p.m. It was actually before time because our plan was to reach around 1:30 p.m. But then the mule staff, they misplaced our luggage, so they reached around 2 hours late. They reached there around 2:30 p.m. and we started at around 3 p.m. so it was already late. And then when we reached
Sir.
here is a checkpoint for Lahul Spiti. There we get to know that we have to cross that checkpoint by 4 p.m. So we reached here around 5:45. It was already late and they didn't allow. So we have booked a room here for the night. Tomorrow morning the check post opens at 6 a.m. So we'll start then only. This place is beautiful, honestly speaking. But the thing is, the only regret is that we couldn't see Chandratal today. Apart from that, this place is really, really beautiful. Let me show you some shots.
If you like our video, then please like, comment and subscribe to our channel and share with your friends and family. The links of the previous episodes are also given in the video description below and we would recommend you to check that as well. In the next episode, we will be traveling to Chandratal and then to Kaza. So stay tuned, some amazing clips are coming up. Till then, take care, bye bye, alvida, khuda hafiz.